Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate KeyChain to store secure data for a Flutter macOS application. So here I have my macOS Flutter application running. Suppose on click on save I am storing some data inside my KeyChain. So if I click on save, the data is stored. If I click on delete, the data is deleted. If I try to read it, I won't be able to because I have just deleted the data. So what I'll do is that, and also because I was trying to read it, I get an exception over here saying that no data null. Suppose if I save it again, and now if I try to read it, here you can see my super secret data. So yeah, that's what we will be checking out in this video. Let's get started. So first I have created a Flutter project and I have refactored my homepage widget. So first I have inside my homepage widget I have created a method channel. Now same identifier you will have to use it on macOS side as well, because we will be writing some native macOS code with Swift. Now for saving data, I'm just calling the save method on macOS side, and I'm passing this data. So this is our data, this is the key. For getting data we are just calling the get method, and if it is not equal to null, then I'm just assigning it to my data variable which I have created over here. And for deleting a data, again we are just passing the delete thing, and I'm not sure if we need to pass the data. I think I might have made some mistake. Yeah, for deleting it I don't think we need to pass this. I mean, this is not really a mistake, we are not really using this data, but you can keep it something like this. Next, inside build I have taken 3 buttons inside a column widget, and the first one is calling save, second one is calling get, third one is calling delete, and fourth is just a text widget which will help us to display the data when we call the read button. So yeah, next you will have to open your macOS folder, open the XE workspace inside Xcode, and here first you will have to give some service and account name. Now this should be unique, so it's better you add your bundle identifier to this. Next I have created an enum for all different types of errors, so one for save, one for delete, one for read. Then we have created a method channel. Now this name is same what we have defined it on the Flutter side, and I have defined, and each method handler has 3 methods. One is save, one is get, and one is delete. And if you see for save, we are first getting that particular data, string data which you have sent. Then I have created this task because we are using async await, that's why this is required. Then we are just calling this save to KeyChain method which I have created. I will show you that shortly. And we are just passing our data, and in case of error I'm just sending the error back, and here also I'm sending the error back. If you want to send some kind of a boolean, you can send that as well, just so that it would be just so that you know that okay, we have been able to successfully save the data. Similarly for get as well, we get the data, so I have called this method, and if the data is not equal to nil, we send the data, otherwise I'm just sending error. And here also in catch I'm sending error. Same for delete task, we call the delete from KeyChain, we use the await. In case of error we return the error, and in case if you call something other method which is not implemented, we send this error. Okay, next save to KeyChain, we first get the data which the user has sent, we which is in string format, we convert it into data. Then we have to use this, like now this a lot of stuff I have just copied it from documentation. The KeyChain API is not really it is not comfortable to work with. Like I think it still follows the Objective-C pattern, so I'm not really sure what's happening over here. What is this KSec class, KSec attribute account? But here it is what it is. We just have to pass this account name which we have created at the top and the data which we have created. Then we have also get the status, and if the status is not equal to error success, then we throw an error. Similarly for get chain as well, we pass the same generic password, the account name, which will help us to identify which keychain belongs to which app, and this boolean is true, ksec match limit is 1. Then here we just have a result, we get a status, and if it is equal to success, then we just convert that data back to string and send it back to the Flutter side. We actually send it back over here, then we send it to the Flutter side. And delete again, ksec generic account, generic password, pass our account name, create a status sec item delete, and if it is not equal to success, throw an error. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.